Good morning to you. Welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. The Australian share market is expected to rise at the open. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.5% rise. Yesterday, the market closed 0.31% higher at 7,578. In business news from this morning, Megaport total revenue for the quarter was $48.6 million. That's up $2.1 million or 5% compared to the first quarter of financial year 2024. Megaport exited the second quarter with annual recurring revenue of $191.7 million in December 2023, and that was up 1% quarter on quarter, which was negatively impacted by significant foreign exchange headwinds from a strengthening Australian dollar. The strong turnaround in profitability while investing in growth saw Megaport deliver positive EBITDA of $15.1 million for the second quarter of financial year 2024. Genex, following an extensive tender process undertaken last year, is pleased to confirm it's selected PCL Constructors as its preferred engineering, procurement and construction contractor for the BCS. Now, PCL is a group of independent construction companies that operate throughout Canada, the United States, the Caribbean and Australia. PCL completes more than $10 billion a year in construction volume. Concurrently, Genex has entered into an early contractor involvement agreement with PCL. This agreement outlines the basis upon which the parties will work together to design and scope the full specification for the BCS, which will lead to terms being agreed later in calendar year 2024 for a full-form EPC contract to engineer and construct the project. And Propel Funerals has executed a conditional sale agreement to acquire the business-related assets, infrastructure and real estate of Southern Funeral Home, which operates from 5 locations, including a cremation facility in Gore, Cromwell, Alexandria and Queenstown in New Zealand. They provided funeral and related service for almost 30 years and generated $2 million of revenue and conducted 270 funerals in its last financial year. It's the company's 8th acquisition completed or announced during financial year 2024. The consideration payable on completion of the acquisition is $4.6 million, of which around 65% relates to the acquisition of real estate. We'll take a break here. I'll be back with more news set to affect your trading day.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
Hello and welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. Let's take a look overseas. The S&P 500 climbed 0.7%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.5%, while the Nasdaq Composite gained 1%. European markets closed mixed, with London's FTSE losing 0.03%. Frankfurt fell 0.12% and Paris closed 0.09% higher. Turning to Asia, Tokyo's Nikkei gained 0.77%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng gained 0.78% and China's Shanghai Composite closed 0.92% lower. That's the latest from the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.